Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and you know what? It is my absolute positively favorite time of the month because I get to share with you the card kit. Now, if you are not a card kit member, this video is going to kind of cut off in the middle because only Card Kit Club members get to see the entire video. It's one of the perks. So if you're in the card kit video, if you're in the card kit, make sure that you're watching the correct video, the one that says Card Kit Video. Yay! Are you ready? This is my favorite part. I'm telling you, this is my favorite. Get set. I will pull out the cardstock first, but first, woo, big paper pad! Big paper pad, big paper pad, surprise, surprise, big paper pad. Normal paper pads are smaller. Let me just show you. Smaller. This is the normal size of a paper pad. Look at this. And your paper pad is going to be larger. Perfect for slim lines. Yay. Okay. I'm not going to show you that first. First, I'm going to show you the handy dandy storage envelope. Yay. Then I'm going to show you the cardstock colors because that sets the tone for the entire kit. Are we ready? Here we go. First, we have guava. We have licorice. We have all of our powdered sugar, 4 powdered sugars. We have our ginger snap. We have our storm. We have our strawberry, we have our bubble gum, we have our cloud, and we have our cranberry. What? I know, look at all these fun colors. I love that we threw that guava in because that just changes the whole palette. Isn't that fun? I love it. Okay. Oh, I love it. Okay, now I'm going to move it all over here, and I'm going to kind of just spread these out so I can kind of see what colors I have going here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my craft workstation so I can really see them. Okay, now, ready? We have to look at the paper pad next because, well, and you get an idea card envelope. Okay, you get, idea card. Let's look at our paper pad next because the paper pad is really where it's all at. Am I right? Okay, so here is the paper pad. It is called Delightful Collection. The Delightful Collection. And here we have, are you ready? Get set. We have candy. Now it's on the side, right? Because that's part of our club set for stamps and dies this month. Then we have, what? A die cut sheet that Stephanie forgot to write on there. Die cut this with your dies. Stephanie forgot to write that, but it's there. Look, pre-colored, which is really nice. Then we have the cute bows. Oh, and look at the back. We have this fun heart. It's the heart from the heart box. But look at that. Then we have the fun bows. Then we have delightful, 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 delightful. Then we have, oh, pink. I love that pink. Then we have a fun lattice. Then we have smaller chocolates and smaller bows and a black lattice. Ooh, that is really pretty. And stripes and smaller delightful. Ooh, I love those stripes. What? Love those stripes. And we also have some little dots. And now we'll go back to our big chocolates. So much fun. Okay, are we ready to see more? I'm going to put that over in my craft station because I'm going to be using it. Let's look at, oh yeah, you get envelopes because we all need envelopes. Am I right? Always need envelopes. And, ooh, oh, no one told me about these. Surprise, Stephanie. Surprise, Stephanie. 2 free gifts. Now, you're getting 2 free gifts. Why are you getting 2 and not 1? Because Stephanie messed up. And she ordered 2. And we could have saved 1 for another time. Or we could have just given you 2. 2 free gifts. And it says on there, free gift, so you just know, okay? 2 free gifts. I'm gonna hide those so nobody sees them. Then you're getting the word delightful, because that's the name of the kit. Then you're getting, ooh, these are fun. Nobody showed me these either. Kenny, let's do the overhead on this one. This is puffy sticker hearts, circles, and the words hugs, love, and sweetheart. Cute. I haven't seen those. Then you're getting, oh wait, 2 ribbons. You're getting a red thin gross grain and a black seam binding ribbon. So fun. Then you're getting some stickers, which are really fun. These stickers are foil stickers. Fun, fun, fun. I think you're getting an extra embellishment in this kit too somehow. And this is fun. It's the little things that mean so much. Wishing you a happy day and joyful moments. Friend, you are awesome. I'm really sorry. I can't read those two because they were covered with the sticker. Sending belated birthday wishes. Congratulations on your big day. Just a little note. Your kindness is appreciated, and such wonderful news. Foil, foil, foil. Cool. Then you are getting, oh, are you ready to see the A1 card die? Yes, we now add an A1 card die set. Why? Because we love you. So wait a minute. In this kit, not only are you getting an A1 card die set, which is a $28 value, $27.99 value, you're also getting the 2 free items, and you're also getting the bigger paper pad. Hello, is it Christmas or what, right? How exciting is this? Here it is. It is a heart flip it. Yes! Now, let me show you what I mean by heart flip it. I have a sample here. Ready? Ready? What? What? Is that cool or what? I absolutely love that. Isn't that fun? That's one of my samples. I love it. I love it. Now, you're also getting these fun little arrows and a big heart in there so you can decorate it. You're going to love this. Just saying. Just saying. A1 card die. And we just came out with the A1 die envelope. 2 more items. 2 more items. Going to show you at the exact same time. Da-na-na-na-na. Stringy ribbons. Stringy ribbons. Perfect for the telephone fold it. Oh wait, is that a surprise? Telephone fold it. And some fun, gorgeous matching epoxy dots. Okay, let me show you the samples really quick. I just showed you this fun flip it. Dun, 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 dun. Then we have the thanks card. Look how cute this is with our little cutouts. So fun. Open it up, write your message. Then we have the love, hugs, and all those yummy chocolates at the bottom. Love it, love it. Ooh, then we have the XOXOXO delightful. So much fun. And then here's another one. Delightful with that cutout because that is already colored for you in the paper pad. So Die Hard members, you already have the dies for that. Isn't that awesome? Now, if you're in the Kit Club, this video is going to continue. If you're not in the Kit Club, go join the Kit Club so you can watch the rest of this video because I'm going to make 2 cards.